In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Jobber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label and organize your clients with simple, consistent tags so you can find the right people faster and keep your account tidy. First, open your browser and go to Jobber. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you have permission to manage clients. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to align with your administrator on any existing tag conventions before you begin, so you don't create duplicates or confusing variations. Once you're on the Jobber dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Clients. This is your main hub for viewing and managing your customer list. Tags live here because they're most often used to categorize clients by attributes like service type, region, priority, or any other label that helps your workflow. On the Clients page, locate the tag option and click it. You might see a tag field or a clickable area labeled Tag near the top of the page or within the client listing interface. When you click it, Jobber will open an input box designed for quick, lightweight labeling. Think of this as your place to add consistent, searchable keywords. Now, input your tag. Type a clear, concise word or short phrase, something like weekly, winterization, or North Zone. Keep your naming simple and standardized. If you see a suggestion appear as you type, choose it to avoid creating near duplicates, such as VIP versus VIP. If your organization prefers lowercase or a specific format, stick to it every time. After typing, confirm the tag by pressing Enter or selecting the on-screen confirmation, and repeat the same action if you want to add additional tags. If you make a typo, backspace to correct it before confirming, or remove the tag and re-add it cleanly. A few best practices to keep things smooth. Avoid special characters that might not search well. Keep tags short so they're easy to scan, and don't over-tag. Focus on the minimum set that meaningfully distinguishes your clients. If your team already uses a standard set, reference that list before adding anything new. Consistency up front saves time later when filtering, reporting, or assigning work. That's all there is to it. You've opened Jobber, gone to Clients, clicked the tag control, and added your tag. From here, those labels will help you quickly group and identify clients the next time you sort or search. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.